Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a potato pepper frittata. So let's get started. You're going to need peppers, eggs, potato. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I sliced my potato. This was one potato and I sliced it on my mandolin. You're also going to need cheese. I'm using hot pepper jack cheese. This is also cilantro, lemon. We're going to use the zest and some butter. So let's get into it. You want to put your potatoes in the skillet. As you can see, mine are not in single layer, but just get it the best way you can. Once it cooks, it's going to shrink. So yeah. So in my bowl, I have my eggs, my lemon zest, and my cilantro. You want to season this however you prefer, but I'm using thyme leaves and coriander. And you just want to put that down in there. You also want to add 3/4 of your cheese. I have about a half a cup of cheese and I'm using pretty much a little bit over half of it. The rest is to put on top. You want to mix your mixture really well, get everything incorporated. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to jiggle your skillet. Just jiggle it. Do not mix. Please do not mix. Then you want to start adding your peppers right on top. And then your remaining cheese you want to add right on top of that and bake it off in the oven. You guys, this is how perfect it came out. I love it. I love that I can see the layers. The potato is tender and cooked all the way through. I served it up with some turkey bacon for my husband. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys have been trying to get me to do a frittata recipe for a very long time, and it's finally here. But since this one came out so well, I'm probably gonna make another one, you know, a different way. But thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.